Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today I'm going to try and get the rest of this polytunnel set up, ready for the rest of the tomatoes. Probably won't get them planted in this video or today, but I can at least get the other side cleared and get everything set up ready to go. So if you are a returning subscriber or an existing subscriber, you'll know I've already planted this side up. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 tomato plants in there and 3 empty halos on this side for the cucumbers. That is what I want to try and get done today, is get all here cleared, get a lot of this out of here, get it cleared, get a little bed made up on this side, get the pots in ready to go and see how many we can fit in here. So I'll get the camera set up on time-lapse or something, just whilst we clear and empty in here. Probably only take a couple of minutes, and get back to you once we've done that. Right, well, now that it's empty in here, a bit better, a bit more room, just gives me a better idea of how much space I've actually got. When everything's piled up like that, you don't really realise how much room things are taking up. Move that before Bobby gets his hands on it. I thought I had a load more of these pots already cut. I'm sure I do. I'll just have to dig them out, find them. Might be near the polytunnel. But I definitely think we'll get another row of 2 down here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to give this ground a quick rake, get rid of any stones, level it off a bit, and then we're going to add some clover garden peat and some clover multi-purpose compost. Give it a good soak and just let it sit for a couple of days before we bury these pots in. Just like I did on this side. Might add a few other bits, not sure yet, we'll see. As you can see, it's quite dry in here, so by adding all this into it, I'm pulling out a few of these stones. Really going to help improve this ground. But last year I just grew straight in this and the plants did perfectly fine. But I do prefer to get them in the plant pots and have the plant pots buried a bit. It just means that when you're watering it, you're watering around the plant and you're not getting the base of the plant wet, and the plant's elevated off the ground a little bit. Dogs. And I am going to add a bucket or 2 of my own homemade compost into this as well, just to help bring everything along. This is garden peat. I was given this when I made my first order of compost. He didn't have any farmyard manure, so he gave me a couple of bags of garden peat instead. And this will just help retain moisture in this ground, bring back a bit of life to it. Head in. They're on the wrong feet, mate.
Yeah.
Yes, let's swap them round. Lift your foot.
Okay.
Good boy for putting them back on though. Makes a change. Yeah.
Put them back in.
Yeah, good boy. Thank you.
That.
Yeah, you don't want to play in that.
What?
That's dirty. Don't want to touch that.
A plants go in it.
Plants are going to go in it. Yes.
Dirt.
Yes, compost.
Compost.
Yes.
Hmm.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Okay.
What's this?
That's peat.
I catch it.
Don't know. No, don't touch that one.
I want it.
No, we don't want to touch that one.
I know it.
Can smell it, can you? So just break up any bigger lumps in that
Yeah.
and spread it evenly across. You wait there. You stay up there, mate. Let Dad do this bit. Then you can help me with the next bit, okay? Okay? Is that okay?
Okay.
Good boy.
The next bit. Over there.
Over there, yeah. Bit more over there, yeah?
Like that. You can get that.
So this stuff is soaking wet as it is, but
You can double it.
it'll help the drier ground in here. Just help it get a little bit more moisture retention. Just mix that into what's already there.
You can wait.
Straight away, mate. Good boy. But because I only built this polytunnel last year, I didn't really get much of a chance to do much with the ground before I had to plant stuff in here, because we got stuff planted in straight away, which we had great harvests out of it. But this year will be better. There's it, dirt. Yes, that's what Daddy's homemade compost. That is. All sorts in that. No. Watch your fingers. That should help. Add a bit of biology in there. Right. You can help with this one now, okay?
What?
Where did I put my knife?
It's right there.
No, that's my fork.
Where? What's it then? It's outside.
There. Oh, there.
Where's my fork?
I got it. You coming in? You gonna help Dad with this bit?
That's in my fork.
Oh, you go get your fork. I'll wait. Just before he gets back, I'm just going to add a little bit of Nutrimate. This is a humic or folic acid.
I don't see.
Good boy. Wait there 2 seconds. Let that dust settle down. This will just help the plants uptake any nutrients that are in the ground and make any nutrients that are there more regularly available to the plant. Might as well add some fish blood and bone in as well. Whilst we're at it, put a couple of handfuls of this in.
What's your knife then?
I found it, don't worry.
What's your fork?
So this is fish blood and bone.
Let me hold the bone.
You don't need to hold the bone.
Let me hold the bone, please. It's my turn now.
You spread that one. Pour it in there. Good boy. Good boy. And I do have a little bit left in this that I want to get rid of, so might as well throw it in. This is Richard Jackson's Premium Root Booster.
Let me see.
It's just little pellets. Just little pellets. It's essentially a form of mycorrhizal, but in pellet form. You empty the rest of that down. Good boy. Spread it a lot. Spread it around a little bit.
Okay.
It's okay. It's all right now. It's all right now. Dad will do it with a fork. Watch. I just have to do this. There you go.
Thank you.
That'll just break down over time and help create a symbiotic relationship between the roots of the plants and the compost or dirt medium. No, we don't need that. That's liquid grow more. We don't need that. Don't need that stuff.
It's gross.
Right, so now we've added all that. Got an empty bucket. Bobby want a bucket? Bucket for Bobby? Right, do you want to get off this bag so I can empty it?
Yeah.
So I'm just going to add a layer of Clover Professional
I took it with you. I took it with you.
onto the surface of this. That's where I put my knife when I'm looking for it later. A nice covering, so we've got a bit of depth to work with. Right, spread all that out flat now. Make all that nice and flat. No, spread it out like this, look.
Okay.
Good boy. Yeah, you spread that out now. Good boy. And if I can't find the rest of them plant pots with the bottoms missing, or with the bottoms cut out, I might just plant straight into here, into this side, as it is, just to see how it does. Could be a good little experiment, see the difference. But I do prefer to get them up and out of the dirt like this, and you can just water around the plants. That way the plants go looking for the water further down instead of around the base of the plant, which I do prefer. We'll see if I can find damn pots. If not, they're just going straight in.
I make this one. Hey.
Is that all nice and flat now?
Yeah.
Good enough.
I just that's it. I make it massive flat.
Good boy. Thank you,
I'm
mate.
gonna make it massive flat.
Yeah, you're a good boy, aren't you? Helping Dad.
What's that? Worm? Worm. What's this worm?
Eventually, we can get some wood chips and fill this middle part up with wood chips.
But
I've been saying
look at it.
months now, I need to get some wood chips. I need to get some wood chips. Just can't seem to get hold of any.
I'm making
That'll
it.
do. Good job, Bob. Thanks, mate.
Let's do. Let's do some plants. My ones.
Oh, we won't put the plants in just yet. We'll let this settle for a couple of days, and then we'll get the rest of the tomatoes planted. Yeah,
Yeah.
like this, like we did on this side.
What?
We'll have to, like we did this side. We'll have to do it on this side. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have more tomatoes for you. Yeah. Come here then.
All
Come here
them.
then.
And sickles too.
And crystals too.
Is they here?
She can stay here.
It is in that.
Right then, guys, that is going to be it from us today. I am going to pop on and see if I can find the rest of these plant pots now, and if I can, I'll do video on planting the rest of these
Okay.
in here and show you how I'm going to do that. But
Like
for
that.
now, that is it for this video today. Just like to say a massive thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Crystal, get out of there. This is what I've got to deal with.
I have to make it
Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and drop me a comment below. Bye for now. Here you go. Right, we need to soak all this now. Get all this wet. All this nice and wet.
Like that.
Yeah, like that. Good boy. And we let this sit till we're ready to plant.
Yeah.
Yes?
I swoop out the water. You do the
You ran out of water. Let Dad empty this can and we'll go and fill up again. Okay?
I'm on too.
And yours too, yes.
You will fill my water.
Yeah, we'll go and fill it up now. Come on. Come on,
Yours
out.
one. You need to fill yours one.
Right, Dad, fill yours up first.
After yours one. What's that?
Right, you go and do your thing. Good boy. I've no doubt this will be spread all over the polytunnel in the next day or two. Oh, sorry mate. I'm filling your can up, am I?
It's raining.
It's raining, yeah, we've got to make it rain in here, mate.
You need to fill mine for it. Thank you.
You're welcome, mate. But at least this area now is ready and gives me an idea of how much space I'm going to have to put my peppers in the middle. Not much.
I need more water.
No, that's enough water now, mate. That's had enough now. It's soaking. I'll let that soak in for a minute and then we'll water it again later, okay?
Okay.
Good boy. Thanks for helping me, mate. Can I get a high five?
There's more water.
Yeah. Come on then, let's go do something outside. Where's your trailer? Go and put that in your. Go and put that with your tools. Go and put it with your tools. Good boy.
Find the moon.
It's not even been 5 minutes. And they're both in there. What are you doing? Out. Safi, out.
Huh?
And you, out of here. Look at the mess you made. Look at the mess you made here.
I got on my grip.
It's not a bridge. I'm just using it to stop you digging in it. Stop, please. No digging in this now, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Does this stop me digging?
And you, Safi. No digging in here.
Safi can't dig in here. Or
Naughty
here.
girl. A naughty girl. Sit. She's a naughty girl digging in here.
Yeah.
Digging in Daddy's flowers. I'm digging in my flowers, Safi.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah. Say yeah.
Did she say yes?
Yeah.
Now don't you come here starting Stella. Don't you come here starting Stella. Uh-oh. And now they're all here. The whole crew.
That's a clue.
Right, out to Daddy's polytunnel now.